June ni kwa sang ni somni parukani hey Israel chonin bepuya thak chunjom zela Lebanon Christian te omna mun abeiti report tat mai nei nge thil zia ati nge Christian te omna mun berker he video henin kan rekanga kan soizau ma in he kan en holokang
ihun nei na zirlo wangin ini saman lo ni mai thei I har sana chingfel turin itan RK construction an ome I boipui ngai mi lovin soil test le building permit an boipui sak thei cha civil engineer architect monitoring na noya in hun lai atanga building sakzo athlangin an tho sak thei che ani tin I inchung chau chei that edu point red niam takin an khoi sak thei bok che chu mai ba ka ceiling specialist an nia biak in le ko han building a red niam te in an siam sak thei boke I building hui to tak kha thia kher ngai lovin athom that na column strengthening retrofitting anti thei boke RK construction 8837 333
RK construction te mamo in nei potsuanin in lo bianga in lo dorve thep donia ole tuna zonin kan react kanang
The Israeli military has killed 8 people in the city of Tyre in southern Lebanon.
Lebanon chimlama Tyre khopuya Israel lampang hianin mi pariat tha belle tonin New Zealand report da boichak thing khop me hemi de pani hu
This follows a forced displacement order for the entire coastal city in
Tyre khopui pumpui hi an omna hmuna tangin ami puite khamo an omna hmuna tang Inthiar chhuak turin Israel lampang da hianin thu an pe han hria tirani
including the city's historic Christian quarter. Earlier
Christian quarter po hi omte po Christian te po an omna hmuna tang Inthiar chhuak turin Israel lampang hianin thu pe ni hi sensitive chodon riau maya
Israel's military bombed several buildings in a residential area. Rescue teams were on the scene searching for missing people.
Tuna hianin Israel lampang hian hianin ron bom le pop ma tar khopui Lebanon chimlam ta hianin mitam takchin hriat lawin an oma chu tuna hianin zon nan be meka hey tu ama tong to kan hriat da chonin Israelin Hezbollah te Muslim hil ho timeng haning terrorist ho kha abe amaro chu hey Christian te quarter atang Inthiar chhuak turin silve tatlet maya abom ni poina langani he thila himo le Israel le Muslim hel ho ti khachoni na ziama maro chai Christian te hi ting hianin picture han ron kalluta engtin nge om chho zelang
At least one body's been recovered. On Monday, at least 14 people were killed across the south. Across Lebanon, more than 1.2 million people have been displaced since March. Bida Hito is joining us.
1.2 million March la atangin tam ram khop mai ngoro mi nuai som pahni vel hi an om na mun atangin te hianin an Inthiar chhuak to ni atama Mizoram pumpui mishring omza deuh thonglom le 1.2 million 1 million hi nuai som vel ani ta chuwan chuan 1.2 million chu nuai som pahni ang vel soichualo turangai la khatiang zat set mishring Mizoram mishring om zong zat deuh thokha an om na mun tang Inthiar sotoni arab thak je chu han ngai to taula Mizoram pumpui atanga mi om zong hi mun himlama kan in sona ngai don khatiang zo han ngai to phei chonin rap thak le ani
It's live from the city of Tyre in southern Lebanon, and that blanket evacuation order telling tens of thousands of
hey and press me the pon yes sir an ti ngai to tlat mai mo man an om na mun khi aral muang vak to lo ti hre ti hen helmet nen vest nen
people to flee, namely in the historic Christian area. How are people reacting to this direct threat?
Israeli na hetinga Inthiar chhuak ro ti a warning ron pe ki intin nge mi puiten khalai muna omte khanan ngai tin anin zot to na ne
That's right, Neve. This direct threat is the third one of its kind. The Israelis have asked everybody in the city of Tyre and several surrounding towns, and specifically the Palestinian refugee camps here in the city of Tyre and around the city, to leave north of the Zahrani River immediately. Today's blanket evacuation order is different because it includes the Christian quarter, which was largely avoided.
Christian quarter kha Inthiar chhuak tur khan in antiveni he Christian quarter hi ama kha chuanin Israel lampang te po hianin an be lo thina ni be an du lo an avoid ve char amaro chu tuna Israel lampangina order tharber anti chhuahi adang lam ve na chu khami Lebanon mi le sa te khatiang ho rim kha mun him lama Inthiar chhuak tur an rit pia lama Christian quarter Christian te khang teng te po kha Inthiar chhuak tur hian Israel lampang hian ron rit tatlet maya hei hi ama mun him lama Inthiar chhuak ru u tiang chi order apek nen kha chuanin tlemin ron danglam ve ta dewani achan chu Christian ten tel ta tlat
by Israel in terms of evacuation orders or even strikes. They avoided attacking these areas. Now Israel is saying that Hezbollah members are in the Christian quarter using buildings for military activities.
Israel lampang chuanin tuna hianin Hezbollah hel ho te hi Christian quarter a khanin anron omto ani anron in son lut ani khang Christian quarter building te kha Hezbollah ho chuanin an chet vel nan te roman an siam nan meeting nan te khatiang thleng te po khan aniang an mangani ti in Israel lampang chuanin anron soita ani kangai tua Israel te hian khoi tangin nge hetiang intelligence information hi an ne yang an spy tangin nge kilam Lebanon am mi te ho khianin nge kilai Christian quarter om te ho Christian ho khianin Israel lampang te en vasil ti kha ka zona o mani achan chu Israel lampang hianin hetiang hianin an soi mol top hianin ka ring big lawa khoi tang emon tak chuanin hetiang information hi andong niin ka ring information rin tlak tak po ani ka ring.
There has been an ongoing exchange of fire between Hezbollah and Israel, especially from Tyre towards areas that Israeli troops are located in south of the city, and then further east into the Nabatea district. But this is something very unique. There is a huge wave of displacement now. The people living in the Christian quarter, this is the first time for its residents to actually have to leave their homes because
avoid khanatan hemi Christian quarter te hen Israel Lebanon an in do an in ka char nuwa han avoid khanatan hemi Christian quarter mi hring om te avoid khatnan ani thir chok ve to dona he thili chu thil chin chi atlak tang ni tin an reporter pa po hianin aron soi ani
because of
chon thil pakhat kan belle lok du chu I Trump alungoi lowa Israel na hetianga Iran nena in daw khan chonin Iran lampang khanin Israel hian Lebanon beito su se te po kharantia amaro hei Israel hianin Lebanon beitum hianin bot chai chaule mek ni na langa Iran chuanin Lebanon kho pui Beirut chimlama Hezbollah ho tombuk kha Israelina abei kha adu lowa chuwan chonin Israel kha akap ta khania khatiang khanin Lebanon kho pui Beirut chimlama mi te kha chu beito kherlowin hei mundang hi an target le dona hei Iran lampang hianin Israel lampang hianin Lebanon Hezbollah te hi Tyre kho pui mi te ponyang khaikang mi te kha han beita se Iran lampang hianin Israel hi an kap le du mayangem tin Yemen te Hamas te ho po hianin anron Yemen a Houthis te Hamas te heng ho te po hianin Israel hi anron be le du mayangem ti te po kha ril ro kha chonin zona kha om lo thei lawani hetianga thila om chhozel chonin US le Iran te po hian engangin Trump apon tun ni thum chung hianin deal kan siam thei to mai thei po ti se oi om lo de ukati hetianga nin ka ring chon Iran lampang hianin deal an siam du ka ring lo hemi Israelina Lebanon a be chung chumo
a forced evacuation order by Israel. We're getting reports from some colleagues that have been able to reach the Christian quarter this morning, saying that there's a huge sense of panic there. People are leaving. They
mi tam takan lau thong e memani achan chu Israel zonin kan ti yang an ti kha chu le Inthiar chhuak ru an ti kha chonin an ron bom zui zel mai sia chu wan chon khitianga notification ron chhuak nuwa khianin hilai huna cheng te an mang ang phili boy ve hle turani
don't have anywhere to go. What I understand from some local officials
local official te tang chuanin an local council te poni veang khang ave la tang kha chuanin heng mi tam tak Inthiar chhuak tura Israel lampangina an ron ti te hianin kalna turan nei lo an ti adik ve mai the ni han ngai to ta maula hei Mizoram te po ramdang te hian do ta ila chuanin ramdang ten khalai hmun mi te kha Inthiar chhuak ngal ru ron ti ta thut se khoi ngang kalang intiran aizol kho pui pum pui mi te kha Inthiar chhuak ro ron ti ta thut se khoi gan kalang mang an thak tur deuh mai kha ania traffic te jam nuai anga tiang khanin mitam ta han phili boidona kan hlau thon dan te po khain ang a level khain ang don silo a then hlau thong thak tak a then hey thoving ve satli angji te po khan om ve le don ni fiam thu lo tho pol angji te khamo khati te khan om nuai dona khatiang han ngai to tamai mai ula an mang an dan tur khemo
here is that all of the shelters around Tyre are completely full. They don't have the capacity
Tyre kho bulvela shelter bomb shelter kan nei ang te hi chu an full vek to mi an ron om bel thei kan lak bel thei to lawan lo ti ve box ni shelter ho khemo
to accept more people. It's not clear exactly where some of the people who are going to be leaving Tyre and the Christian quarter are going to head to.
Christian quarter chu san tur te le Tyre kho pui chu san tur te hi khong an kal don ti pol a hriat chuang lo ani
The situation in the city remains very tense. It's essentially a ghost town. None of the shops are open. None of the businesses are open.
Boro sanga kimi ang khopui ki Christian quarter te pon thau ro san top mai ne han eng ma dor in Hong Pom lo wa office in Hong Pom lo ti han mi zong zong hang kal san vek mai ne van ti zuan in Israel hian in ron bom mel khop mai ne chan chu Hezbollah ten an mang ati to mau mai si mo.
And people are concerned about these drone strikes on moving vehicles that we've seen in an increasing number over the last several days. One just yesterday in front of the Red Cross headquarters here in the city of Tyre. There continues to be strikes and explosions around us. We continue to hear them coming from the direction of the Bintaj.
Khului mai halai poi mo hai motor tan lai te po drone mang te pon lo kap thin aniang khang thil ani awang han le Israel lam pai he ting hen Inthiar chhuak tura aron ti awang hanin tunai hianin an mang ang ani ti zoni Israelina alati ngai lo le be adu lo a avoid ngar ape hel ngar ang chi Christian quarter te po khata cheng tengei po khatuna zoni Inthiar chhuak turin ron tia achan chu Hezbollah ten Christian quarter kha an mang an ron ti tat mai ni Israel lam pang hian mo ole hati zong khatun tum atana kan han reng an han soi zau thei chu ani video lai mu le theu do ni